Secured signing integrates with Salesforce. In this demonstration, I will show you how you can take your existing documents and convert them into digital templates, including Salesforce fields and signing workflows. To start creating your template, first upload your document into Salesforce using the Upload File button. Once the new file is uploaded, click the Start Secured Signing button. In this pop-up, choose Create New Template. In the list, select the document that you have just uploaded and click Create Document Template. You are now in the Document Builder tool. Here, add the signature and drag it to the right place in your document. You can choose whether the signature is going to be a full or an initial signature. Next, add your fields. You have two field type options here. You have Salesforce fields at the top, which have pulled through the relevant records that are in your settings, such as account information, contact details, and lead fields. This pulls through any Salesforce active field that you have in your Salesforce environment. This relationship depends on your Salesforce setting. You can also choose secured signing standalone fields here, such as a text box, multi-line box, checkbox, radio button, date picker, drop-down list, and file upload button. When adding a Salesforce field, you will receive a box like this representing the field. Now I want to take your attention to the settings on the left. With every Salesforce field, you can choose whether, if the field has information in it, whether you want us to push any data that already exists within Salesforce into the form. If you don't want us to, simply untick Show Salesforce Value. Second option, would you like the invitee, a person who's signing this form, to be able to edit this field? If you don't, simply untick it, and this will be a read-only field for the person signing. Lastly, do you wish for us to update or push any new information or amended information back to Salesforce? If not, untick. You can also decide whether each field that you add is mandatory to be completed, and if so, by who? Is it the invitee that has to fill it in, or is it in fact the sender that must fill it in? If it is the sender, is this information read-only? As you can see, there is a correlation between the validation fields here, which are the form logic, and the Salesforce field options up the top. For each field that you add, you can select the font, the size, and the color. When adding multiple fields, simply click the Select All button here and match so all the fields can be identical in format. Once you've added all your required fields in your form, click the Preview button to see what this will display like for the person signing. You can view this in the web browser like this, but you can also convert it to PDF in the designing stage. Once you are happy with the field layout and what your form looks like, simply click Save as a template. Here you can give the template a name, and you can also choose how the file will be named once it's completed. When you're done, click Save. There is no limit to the number of templates you can build in secured signing. Thank you for watching this demonstration.